Although it's January, you can still ride. The weather, it's good enough to ride. And for this job, I came at the Aprilia shop to take the new Tuareg out for a spin. But before that, I have to unbox it. It's just behind me over here, and I can't wait to take it out. Let's come and check the bike. The guys at Aprilia wanted to get into the middleweight class, the middleweight adventure class, and for this job they used the 660 engine fitted on a frame, 21 front-inch wheel, 80 HP, everything that you can wish for to go off-road. Enough talking, let's unbox it. And now I get to see the bike. Okay, so what do we have here? It's a red one. So this one, it's the Aprilia red, close to an orange, but it looks very nice. It's a beautiful color. It doesn't have the front wheel on. I think it's somewhere here in the back, and we will have to fit it. How do I get it out from here? I think I have to remove some parts, some wooden stuff. I think I need another man for this job. Can you help me, Bogdan? Bogdan? So there's a TFT dash with a cover on top of it. There's a front suspension, 240 millimeters of travel, fully adjustable, and this is a good thing when it comes to riding off-road. I like it a lot. So there are some nice solutions from the guys at Aprilia. They fitted over here the tank for the engine coolant. What else? There's a lot of attention to the work over here. I like it a lot because everything seems to be put up together very, very carefully. You get these air tunnels that will drive the air towards your legs, and this is a good thing when it comes to riding in low temperatures, as in the winter time or spring or autumn. I think that this is not a very good thing when it comes to summertime. It might bring a lot of heat towards your knees, but yeah, this is a thing that I can live with. You have the engine over here, which is the 660 power unit with 80 HP, lots of torque down in the range. It pushes like insane. You can wheelie it, you can do lots of stuff. You can skid the rear very easy just by rolling the throttle a bit harder. This one doesn't come fitted with the quick shifter, but you can add it afterwards in full spec. You also can get a quick shifter up and down, which is a thing to have when it comes to this kind of bikes. Check out the gas tank because it's a plastic mold, 18-liter tank. You can cover more than 350 to 400 kilometers, and it has this cap which is old school. I like it. You use the key. It's just like the ones on the older models from the 90s. So yeah, nice, very nice feature. Oh, and I can see over there you also have this USB plug that you can use. So in order to get the cover off, I need to take the saddle off, and you can also see stuff over here. It's very clean. Yeah, it looks very nice. You have the battery in place. No, it's not in place. I have to fit a battery also on this one. Let's put the saddle back together because I want to check some more details of the bike. So we have the 21 front inch wheel over here, A very nice looking exhaust, very nice tail light unit. As I said, full LED. You also get the hand guards over here, which are also with red. We have two hand guards that we need to fit, the handlebar weights, and the windshield. This is a very important asset when it comes to riding a touring bike like this one, adventure touring bike, because this windshield is supposed to offer you a good wind protection, but I know for sure that Aprilia offers an even taller one, which might be even helpful if you are a tall guy like me. Let's take the front wheel off from here because I want to fit it on the bike so I can take it off the crate. Also tires, Scorpion Rally STR, very good tires if you're talking about medium off-road. We have the battery over here, seems like a lightweight battery. Yeah, it's a lightweight battery that we have to fit on the bike. Man, check this out, it's so small and so light. This way the guys at Aprilia managed to keep the weight as low as possible, because this bike weighs 187 kilograms without the fuel inside. So we have 18 liters of fuel together with this amount of weight. It's a very good number when it comes to off-road. So I have the bolts over here. For the tricky part, I have to fit the front wheel, but I need some help in order to remove the front axle and put the front wheel inside. Front wheel is on, the Brembo brakes, the Brembo calipers are over here, a Brembo master cylinder, everything looks very nice, but I want to fit a battery and afterwards bring the bike to life, and for the last moment I want to start it up in order to perform a sound check for you guys to hear it, because it's a very nice twin cylinder sound. But right now the battery. Saddle is back in place, I have power. Let's check out the dash. You have 4 riding modes and all the electronics that you can wish for. You have off-road, you have individual, explore and urban. 2 of them are adjustable. You can adjust between the engine brake, you can do it as you please, but most important is that you have a button that switches the riding modes right now. You don't have to enter the menu like on the previous models. It's easier to do it. You also get the cruise control, traction control. You can optionally add up a quick shifter up and down. You have the brake control that you can adjust, the ABS. So this bike, it's a full spec. All the lights that are looking very good. It's a take it or leave it look in my opinion, but I like it. I like it a lot. So we have to check if the fluids are inside, the oil. We have to add up some fuel because usually the bikes are shipped without any fuel inside the tank. So we can start this thing up. And now for the big moment, I will start up the bike because I want so bad to hear it. This twin cylinder 80 HP from Aprilia, right from the 660. Are you ready? What do you say? You ready? Okay, let's do it. So... quite cool, I like it. It's a Euro 5 engine, but it has so much grunt. Whoa, this was very nice. I like it a lot. I will fit the plates today and afterwards I will take it for a spin. Next thing, we'll have a video with the bike, off-road, on-road, compared to some other big names in the market. Until then, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys!